Have you ever wanted to say things like, I want to eat, they are coming, she's going, she wants to sleep, we are sleeping, and the likes in Yoruba? In today's lesson, I'll show you words for I, you, me, he, she, we, and they, and how to use them in simple sentences. So if this is what you are interested in, click the subscribe button behind you subscribe. Pick your book and pen and let's learn together. Let's go to today's class. Let's start with the pronouns. So hi or me is Emi, Emi, Emi. But when you want to use I in a sentence, like I want to do something, I want to go, I am doing something or whatever, you say mo, 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 mo. So I, mo. Then he or she, same thing is for the two. So he or she, you say o, 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 o. And for we, awa, awa. But when you want to use it, especially to start a sentence like we are going, we want to come, we want to eat, you say ah, ah. Just the first part of awa, you say ah, 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 ah. Let's go to they, àwọn, àwọn, àwọn. So but when you want to use it in a sentence, especially to start a sentence, you will not say àwọn, you say wọ́n, wọ́n, wọ́n. You say the last part. You know, I said they is àwọn, so you just say wọ́n, wọ́n. You is o, 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 o. That is when you want to use it to start a sentence in a sentence. You have to start a sentence like you are sleeping, you want this. But in other cases, you say ìwọ, ìwọ. Like for instance, let's say I'm talking to you and I'm like, I'm talking to you, ìwọ ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Do you understand? So, but when you to start a sentence like, oh, you are good, you say ó dáa, ó dáa. Do you understand now? So let me recap before we now add the verbs. For I, you say mo, mo, mo. Repeat after me. Mo. Good. For he or she, you say o, 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 o. For you, you say o, o, o. Do not mix up he or she and you together. He or she, o, then you, o. Good. Then they, one, one, one. Then we, are, are. Before we add verbs, let's learn how to say want, because mostly we are going to be talking about I want, they want, you want in this video. So to want is fe, fe. Can you say that? Fe, fe, fe. Good. Now to eat is jẹun, 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 jẹun. Now if you want to say I want to eat, can you guess how to say it? You know, I is mo, to want is fe, and to eat is jẹun. So how do you think you say I want to eat? Can you try to say it before I tell you? I want to eat. Okay. Mo fẹ́ jẹun. Mo fẹ́ jẹun. Mo fẹ́ jẹun. I want to eat. Mo fẹ́ jẹun. The two there, you are not translating it. You are not saying anything in Yoruba concerning that too. In this case, you are just talking about the main thing. I want to eat. I want it. So mo fẹ́ jẹun. Mo fẹ́ jẹun. How about she wants to eat? She wants to eat. How would you say that? Yeah. Ó fẹ́ jẹun. Ó fẹ́ jẹun. Ó fẹ́ jẹun. How about you want to eat? You want to eat. Ó fẹ́ jẹun. Ó fẹ́ jẹun. How about we want to eat? We want to eat. A fẹ́ jẹun. A fẹ́ jẹun. How about they want to eat? Wọ́n fẹ́ jẹun. Wọ́n fẹ́ jẹun. Wọ́n fẹ́ jẹun. Yeah, that's good. Now let's try another verb. To sleep is sùn. 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 So how about I want to sleep? How would you say that? To sleep is sùn. So you say mo fẹ́ sùn. Mo fẹ́ sùn. Mo fẹ́ sùn. How about he or she want to sleep? You know, it's the same thing for he and she. So how about he or she want to sleep? Can you try to say that? Ó fẹ́ sùn. Ó fẹ́ sùn. Ó fẹ́ sùn. And you can also mention the person's name. Yeah. Let's say my name is Olabisina. So let's say she wants to sleep and you are referring to me. So you can say Bisi fẹ́ sùn. Bisi fẹ́ sùn. Just add the name if you don't want to say he or she. How about you want to sleep? Ó fẹ́ sùn. Ó fẹ́ sùn. Ó fẹ́ sùn. How about they want to sleep? They want to sleep. Wọ́n fẹ́ sùn. Wọ́n fẹ́ sùn. Wọ́n fẹ́ sùn. How about we want to sleep? A fẹ́ sùn. A fẹ́ sùn. A fẹ́ sùn. Okay, good. Let's try one more verb. How about to go? To go is lọ. 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 Now, how about I want to go? What do you think you should say? I want to go. I want to go. Mo fẹ́ lọ. Mo fẹ́ lọ. Mo fẹ́ lọ. How about we want to go? We want to go. A fẹ́ lọ. A fẹ́ lọ. A fẹ́ lọ. How about she want to go or you want to go? Ó fẹ́ lọ. Ó fẹ́ lọ. Ó fẹ́ lọ. How about you want to go? Ó fẹ́ lọ. Ó fẹ́ lọ. Ó fẹ́ lọ. How about they want to go? Wọ́n fẹ́ lọ. Wọ́n fẹ́ lọ. Wọ́n fẹ́ lọ. Practice these sentences and leave a comment using one of today's pronouns. In the next lesson, we will learn more useful Yoruba sentences. So before then, keep practicing. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Learn Yoruba with Olabisi. And if you are interested in one-on-one tutoring, send me a mail to my email address on my bio. See you. Bye. Ó dàbọ̀.